Turn to the side.
The delivery was very nice looking. We just got chocolate. Probably getting again later, right, ladies?
We're eating it twice
Right.
today.
Twice in one day. A little ASMR for you guys. Hang on. Hang on. Okay.
This burrito is fat as fuck.
Does it look good, guys? Does it look nice and cooked? Okay, bye. Say bye. I got a girl.
Cinco de Mayo. President's Day. Grandma has this weird thing where she what the fuck? Yeah, like my shoes. Yeah. That says body. It's cold out. Stop! What the fuck? Okay, we're gonna do a montage of us playing volleyball.
Can it see me?
I don't think so.
Can it see me now?
Go. Yeah.
Come on!
Oh my gosh! Lock her out.
Wait! Stay right there. Let me get you a towel. Stay! You're gonna fucking get this one. Beautiful. Let me have one outfit. Beautiful. Matt, you won't. Matt, you won't. Wait.
Get run and feel the heat between us two. I'm gon' ride, I'm gon' ride, I'm gon' ride, I'm gon'
Vlog. We're watching Annabelle. I gotta go wash my hands.
There's nothing to wear. Did you guys hear that? I'm scared. I don't know what was that, guys, and I didn't do that. I'm scared.
We will act immediately on the more troubling aspects of this report with respect to alcohol use and the anecdotal references of resistance by agency leadership to accepting advice or criticism about the fitness and readiness of individuals for spaceflight.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey guys! We're doing a mukbang today, as y'all can see from the title / Corona.
Let's do our
We got
first.
Chick-fil-A's. I'm drinking a caramel iced coffee.
I'm drinking
This
a
is no pickles.
Kickstart
Hers.
pineapple
This is
orange
Sophie's.
mango.
Ew, it feels so soggy. Yeah, I'm recording that. Oh,
Yummy.
yo, okay, wait, we can't
This
show
is
them.
actually my first
We
time
don't show them
eating
our
these.
food yet. Yeah, we usually stick to Popeyes, but a bitch was closed. Oh, my cousin. We got the little nuggers. Oh shit.
Thanks.
I'm so hungry. Just let me eat one. Okay, y'all. Show them what we got. Oh, that doesn't even look like a lot.
Okay, you already seen it.
I got chicken nuggets and fries.
I got this.
I got the good old spicy chicken sandwich deluxe. You already know.
I got
Open it.
a Chick-fil-A sandwich with no pickles.
It's just it's like a spicy chicken, but with nothing on it because you're fucking plain. Oh, and they got some.
Can I eat it yet?
Hold on.
Please. It literally looks so good.
I want like 3. Why?
I eat it now.
Yeah, y'all take a bite. Oh, and we got our drinks.
Oh, we
I'm
got and then my
I'm drinking Monster. She's drinking her frappe.
barbecue.
This girl is drinking an amateur drink.
This is literally the one who begged me to get this.
Yeah, that's good. I'm scared it's gonna be spicy.
This is so good.
Spicy
It's
food.
really good.
Is it?
Thanks, Chris. Next.
You're welcome.
The lighting is really bad.
We
should have done it in there.
We're not trying to die.
For real. It's still
Oh
bad.
my fucking god, this is good.
Let's talk about the strip.
I
the
kind of like
strip.
Popeyes better. Don't come for me.
Can you
Leave your
Get
comments.
No,
trash. I got 2, but I'm not gonna eat them. I'm eating
got
a
mine,
waffle.
I got it.
I'm eating a waffle fry. What you want me to do?
I already got it.
Okay, y'all. This is why I got my sandwich. I don't fuck with pickles.
Stop.
But I got the good old grass, tomatoes,
I texted Sydney.
and a sandwich.
She said right now. I said yeah. And she left me on anything.
Someone already opened this? Can someone open this for me?
Thanks.
I thought it was yours. Well, I don't want to eat this grass. Kind of nervous.
That's okay. So, we went to Family Dollar, right? And don't come for me. And so Cammy was sneezing.
We're in line. Paying for our food. I mean, our
I love how
snacks.
you just try to take the story I was telling.
Because you fucking leave out everything.
No, I didn't.
Who's
You
it
don't-
about, though? You don't give it no
I
context.
just
no-
started.
Anyways. And Cammy felt a little snuffle going on. And what happened, Sophie?
She sneezes twice.
And this bald-headed ass girl pulls out a can of disinfectant spray and literally sprays us. Who the hell?
I'm scared.
Unnecessary.
We can do ASMR. Everyone chill out.
I really mess with this. One bite. It's not spicy at all.
Who?
This is not spicy at all.
I guess.
It's really good.
No, no thanks.
Take a bite now. I'll literally steal your nuggets. Come on.
This is really good.
Pretty good.
The chicken sandwiches aren't that filling.
Yeah. That's why I didn't get one. Are you done eating your nuggets?
No. I'm not as fat as you think I am.
Well, I got the grass. I'm definitely not gonna be able to eat my second one though.
Why?
Why did... Okay, where did we eat yesterday?
Frickers.
Frickers is literally further away and took an hour to get here. This took like 30 minutes.
Well,
And this is further away. Frickers is closer to us. No. It's literally the same place. Middle lane.
Frickers is closer. Frickers is closer. Or not Frickers. Chick-fil-A is closer.
Yeah, but not that by that much.
Yeah. Well, Frickers is kind of like always busy. Yeah, that's true. And Chick-fil-A is, so.
Okay, guys.
This is so boring. Like,
Let's talk about our problems. Okay, guys, this is my problem. There's this boy. Not gonna say names. Don't say no names.
Okay.
But I really, really like him. And he really, really likes me. So what's the issue? What's poppin'? Why isn't it going together? But I low-key was playing him, not gonna lie. But what's the... What the... This is literally grass.
I'm out of ketchup too.
We have ketchup in the fridge.
I can't really get to it right now.
Ew.
So
the
someone
chicken looks gross.
Well, love me now.
Sophie, you're closest. Okay, these tomatoes look a little gross. Anyway, so I really like this book, but it just sucks because I don't. Excuse me. We're never ever able to talk, but I know he likes me. I know for a fact. And I know
tried
I
to
like
kiss her.
him. Tried. What's the issue? Literally tastes like grass. Like I just ate a piece of grass. I like Popeyes better, and I know they're gonna come for me, but I do.
Thank you, Sophie. You're the best.
Can you give me my Monster? This one's trash.
Okay. Old hack. You literally finished it. This one's trash.
I got a problem.
Feels like, I don't know.
Sorry.
So we hear our grandparents.
Sophie, shut up.
So we tried to break in.
Sophie, tell them about your problem.
Did
with
you
the
guys
boys
go
that-
check the window?
Sorry.
I should have done it.
Sophie, tell them about your problem with that person I'm not gonna name.
I mean, I like him. He doesn't like me. Kind of so.
Oh my god, my hair. Y'all, okay, so we was walking back from the dollar store earlier after we had got rudely sprayed. And it was literally pouring raining, and we had to walk all the way home in the rain. And now we all have Ebola.
Ebola.
This is so good. Pineapple punch.
No.
Are you done? I feel bad. You want to buy me a sandwich?
No,
I'm not gonna finish. It's gonna be in the fridge, and I'm gonna be like, "Who had Chick-fil-A?"
I don't have the rest of my fries.
No, it's okay.
I don't eat them.
I'm literally
Well,
the
if you
slowest
insist.
eater. Like I still have a whole sandwich left, and she's
She's
already.
over fries?
No, I don't really fuck with fries.
I do.
There's literally crumbs left.
No, like I literally have. I'm the slowest eater I know. And I Sophie. I'm the last one to be eating done with dinner. Everything. I took a little baby mice bite.
That was good. Thanks, Krista. If you
Are
didn't
you
know,
full?
Krista got it. Yeah.
Because I got a job at Wendy's. She's
And
balling
now
now.
she pays for everything we do.
No paparazzi, please.
I don't feel good.
It's literally not spicy like at all.
I'm so
See,
filled up.
Spice.
too.
Popeye's literally. Are you actually?
No, not at all. I'm super hungry.
You wanna buy it? Has tomatoes and stuff.
It
on it.
literally has tomatoes on it. I'm not
Okay, but
gonna-
you can literally pick them off. It ain't that big a deal.
Calm down.
And the bread looks so.
It's toasted.
It looks like the buns we have at Wendy's. Look at that cheese though. Excuse me, we're not done with the video.
We can be.
Okay, well,
Okay,
this
thank
was
you
a short.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. Bye, guys.
Delete it. Do it.
No, don't take a video.
Come on, just do it.
Don't take a video.
We'll delete it.
No. Don't scream my ear, bitch. Is my hair wet, Sophie?
Is my hair wet?
Needless to say, I keep a check. She was a bad, bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Needless to say, I'm keeping a check. She was a bad, bad, nevertheless. Calling it quits now, baby, I'm a wreck. Crash at my place, baby, you're a wreck. Thinking in a bad way, losing your grip. Screaming at my face, baby, don't trip. Someone took a big L, don't know how that felt. Looking at you sideways, party on tilt. Ooh, certain things you just can't refuse. She wanna